Hello friends, here is an apology. Numbering, English grammar tutorial number 208. You will find the theory part of this. So there is a mistake in numbering. 207, actually 207 should have been the theory part, but it's given in 208, exercise in 207. Now, as you can see, must expresses necessity and obligation, must not expresses prohibition and minimal requirements. These are the basic meanings. Necessity and obligation, you have internal and external. You have got internal and external. Internal and external. And extended meaning, infinite possibility and polite insistence. All the points have been explained by me in 208. This is exercise based on that. Now you have 15 sentences. Yes, we have got a set of 15 sentences. What you have to do is, you have to say what is the meaning or what meaning is expressed in each sentence by must, by using must. All here. Oh, what terrible sound! It must be an explosion. That is infinite possibility, isn't it? Infinite possibility. Infinite possibility. And then next, you must bring your textbooks. That is external obligation or internal obligation. External. You must bring. Isn't it? So that is obligation external. You must not smoke on the campus, same, external. We must obey the rules, internal. So that is internal necessity, our necessity. You must fulfill the terms of the contract. Also, internal, you must. That is for you. Or they must read the whole agreement before signing. They must read. Agreement before signing. So that is external. Isn't it? External. Necessity is external, means you have to read this. You must come for the party. That is, you must come for the party. So that is polite insistence. You must come for the party. Yes. So polite insistence. You must observe me when I am speaking. To your friend he says, you must observe me when I am speaking. And take notes and tell me correctly. So that is polite insistence. Please, you must forgive me. Again, polite. Please, you must forgive me. And you must come and bless us. Also polite. It is not obligation. Then for getting admission, you must have at least 50% mark. That is minimal requirement. Minimal requirement. Isn't it? Minimal requirement. And you must not talk in the class. Again, external. External necessity. You must come prepared for the test. External necessity. You must follow all the rules. External necessity. I must see the principle. Internal necessity. Internal necessity. So, these are different uses of must. So, there are two models of pure models of advice and necessity. Advice we have already seen, and that is should. Isn't it? You should come early and so on, and also extended meaning. Now this is must. I think the theory part I told you, I have explained it in 208. This is wrongly numbered. Please excuse me. Yes. Forgive me. You must forgive me. I am insisting. You must forgive me. You must forget my mistake. Understand? I have committed an error. You must forget it. You must bear with me. So these are polite insistence. You are my students, so I am your teacher. So politely I am asking you, please, you must forgive me. You must forget the mistake that I made. See? So the numbering. And you know it's clear to you, it's no problem. It's very simple, these things, these sentences. From these sentences, you can see how must is used. Here, word, or I guess, something like that. So you can say, you hear some sound, some terrible sound, and you say, oh, that must be a fire. That must be. So that is inferred possibility. Or you find that somebody, India won the cricket match under the captainship of Kohli. And then you will say, India won the cricket match, and so you hear then you will say, oh, it must be, or yes, the team must be led by Mr. Kohli. Understand? India won, then team must be led by Mr. Kohli. Understand that? Like that. So that is what we call inferred possibility. You are inferring something is given to you. So, for example, during summer, there is a flash flood. The summer season, a flash flood. Then you will say, it must be tsunami. It must be a tsunami. That is an inferred possibility. Very often you use like that. And polite insistence with friends you will do. No, you must come. You must help me. You must take this with you. See, you give a present and he refuses. No, you must take it. Then necessity, of course, you must not talk, you must not come late, you must not eat in the class, you must not. Eat in the class means while the class is going. Some people always think like this. So the teacher will say, you must not eat in the class. So that is external obligation. But internal necessity is, I must do something, I must go and meet, I must go and apologize and so on. That will be internal necessity. And then must not is used only for prohibition. Listen, if you want to say absence of obligation, then you have to use need not. You cannot use must not for absence of obligation. See, when you say must not, there's only one meaning, prohibition. You see, for example, if you tell somebody, you must not come to the class, that the meaning of that sentence is a prohibition, not that you need not come to the class. So, absence of obligation, you have to use need in or need not. More of need and needn't we will see later. So till then, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life. Keep your health. Take care and bye.